Hello. We have a reservation for 2 people. Hello. We have a reservation for 2 people.
Welcome. Please follow me to your table. Welcome. Please follow me to your table.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here are your menus. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Can I take a look at the menu, please? Thank you. Can I take a look at the menu, please?
Of course. Please take your time. Of course. Please take your time.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
I recommend our grilled chicken. It is very popular. I recommend our grilled chicken. It is very popular.
That sounds good. What is today's special? That sounds good. What is today's special?
Today's special is seafood pasta with fresh vegetables. Today's special is seafood pasta with fresh vegetables.
Does this dish contain any spicy ingredients? Does this dish contain any spicy ingredients?
Yes, it has a little bit of chili. Yes, it has a little bit of chili.
Do you have any non-spicy dishes? Do you have any non-spicy dishes?
Yes, we have several mild dishes available. Yes, we have several mild dishes available.
Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a vegetable salad and pasta. Yes, we have a vegetable salad and pasta.
Great. We need a few minutes to decide. Great. We need a few minutes to decide.
No problem. I will come back when you are ready. No problem. I will come back when you are ready.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.